another 10 by 10 canvas and a funnel, and we're going to do a funnel pour with leftover paints as soon as I get drink my water. I have a little bit of this left, more colors than others, in the Craft Smart, which I've been experimenting with. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 paintings I've done with these colors. I'm going to thin out a little bit of this gold and copper, and also add a little bit of that in there so I have enough paint. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to put this green that we made down on here. It's green, gold, copper, and blue, so it's kind of a blue-green, kind of an army bluish green color. And I'm just going to kind of tip it a little bit to that corner and a little bit to this corner. I want it to be a puddle because we are going to be doing this, a pour in this. So I'm going to take all the caps of my paints off. So everything I'm using is strictly Craft Smart. So I'm going to hold my funnel up here, right in the middle, and I'm going to pour my paints in here to layer them. That one might have needed to be thinned out a little bit. Let's see if I can do that one-handed with my spray bottle. A little water in there. Blue cap. Okay, let's try that now. See if it'll pour in there. Need a little more of that. Here's some of the darker blue. Some orange. Some green. Some brown. Like I said, these are just the very last of these paints. Some gray, which is a really light gray, almost creamy. Some gold. And some copper. Okay, now I'm just going to burp this up and down. Now I did see Deb from D&D Art do this, so thank you, Deb. Okay, there we go. We can get those bubbles out. Let me throw all this stuff away, get it out of my way. Oh, I didn't do the rest of the blues in there. I must do that. Yeah, let's see if we have any more. Put that in there. Copper. Gold. Take the stick and run it around the edges, see if I can knock some of that paint down to where we're going. Okay, here we go. A couple more burps. Okay, there we go. More bubbles. Okay, here we go. I'm going to tip it. And get it off of the cups, that is. And bring it this way real slow. Oh, it wants to go off the side already. That way a little bit. Turn it around and do it this way. See if I can get over that side and corner without disturbing all of my cells. Bring it back to the center. See if we can walk it down to this corner. Back. See if we can walk it a little more this way. Tip it back to the middle. This way a little, so I can get that corner. Ah, I caught so much gold paint in my hand. I'll just put it right there so that can flow off of there easier. Okay, back to the middle. Try to get that corner down that I just put extra paint on from the overflow. Oh my goodness, there's so much paint coming off of here. It's so pretty too. Look at my edges. Take it back to the middle. Set it down and look at it for a minute. Oh, that blue. My goodness, I'm so glad I added that the last minute that I almost forgot. That gold and that copper. Okay, let's see what I'm going to do here now. Get some more paper towels. That's gone. I'm going to try to tip it a little more this way. And I'll turn it so you can see better. The cups are falling off again. Ah! I want to kind of stretch that blue out. And then bring it back to the center. And then I'm going to go to this corner. And I'll bring it back to the center more. And I'll go down to this corner some. Bring it back to the center again, and I think I'm going to try to bring it right down to this corner a little bit. Bring some of that blue down. Stretch it out a little more. There we go. Okay. Bring it back to the center. See if I can set my cups all up. Okay, now for some heat. Come on in. Look at this one. It's pretty. It's the last of the Craft Smart paints, so this will be the last of the Craft Smart series. Look at those cells exploding. Look at that. I love the way the cells explode in this paint. I just love that explosion of blue in the middle.
Are you recording?
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm going to let this set for 10 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I just tipped it a little bit and gave it a little more heat, and I love the composition. I'm going to keep it like this, so I'm going to give you a close-up. And get the cup off. Get off of there. Coffee cup. Oh, I need coffee. Coffee cup. Here we go. That's it. Look at the sides. Get how rich that gold and copper are. And the blues. Okay, well, let me set this down to dry. Okay, thank you again for being with me, and I'm sorry I wasn't very talkative, but I'll be better in a week or two, hopefully, or 4, or 5. Depends on how many surgeries I end up having. But I love you all. Be good to each other and kind to everyone else. Bye.